Hello, it is the 22nd of October 2012. This will be a very quick video. Going to go over gold. This is XAU/USD. And we're going to take a look at the 550-hour time frame. But after this, we're going to move it to the 2 hours from 2200 to 2400, followed by the other ones as well. And we'll follow that up with a little commentary on the presidential election and some betting odds. So, okay. What we're looking at here is obviously these higher highs, higher lows. Very simple to determine. But what I like about the chart format, or the 18 average of highs, lows, and closes, that's really it. Is I like how it shows you correctionary phases and the breakout pattern. So when did it break out from this correction in here? Well, obviously, as you can see, it was trying to here, having steady gains along the way, but it didn't really break out till here. And then you go down here, when did it finally break through? Well, it went underneath it and then broke above it, stayed within the range, and the breakout occurred right in here. And now, when's the breakout going to occur from here? Well, if this thing really moves up and tests these waters, I'm going to say it could be now, actually, and might not be, but it obviously, in an uptrend, you'd think that the continuation, especially with the fundamentals, is most likely going to come into play. Moving on to those hours, we'll look at the 2-hour time frame, which says silver. I've been doing this. This is from 2200 to 2400, either Greenwich and or UTC time. Same thing as silver, uptrend consistently, and then it's been going sideways for a while. This starts off at 100. So it's up basically 104.2%, and the other time frame happens to be up 104.18%. It's 2 pence. It's unbelievable, but pretty much the exact same, but this has got a normal looking chart from the normal hours. And it's interesting that just using these hours that we are still below the 2008 highs for just those hours. So that's an interesting fact in itself. So for the last so many years, it's just been going sideways. Okay, final thing is I want to go over the elections. As on the People's Court, I did a video earlier. This is just a remix from Bono's Entertainment of a video showing that on Friday afternoon during People's Court, they showed the results of the presidential election. It's about 3 weeks until this comes into play. So with that being said, last night around 10 o'clock Eastern Time, I was on the internet looking for investing lines in football, and I just wanted to see what the election odds were, and then I seen that the Democrats were a decent-sized favorite, something like minus 240 or something, 260, which means you're laying 26 to win 10. And I asked someone to ask me about it today, so I gave him the site. I looked today that the lines are off. So it's kind of interesting that on the Greek.com they shut off the lines. But if you're looking for investing odds for or investing plays for next week, I don't know if they'll be good or not. You can take a look at these, and I'll talk to you later on. Bye-bye.